Hi everyone, this is Mary Showman, and I have some tough news for our hypothyroid community. If you're on a natural desiccated thyroid or NDT drug like Armour thyroid or NP Thyroid, you need to know that the FDA, as of August the 7th, 2025, is taking action to ban all NDT drugs that have not gone through the process of getting approval as a biologic drug. Right now, in August of 2025, no NDT drugs have FDA biologic approval. The FDA is saying they will allow for a 1-year grace period for patients to switch from NDT to synthetic medications. Gee, thanks FDA. After that, they will force any NDT makers who don't have that approval to stop selling their NDT medications. They indicated that compounded natural desiccated thyroid drugs will also be banned at that time. Like me, you probably have questions. Will you be able to get your natural desiccated thyroid drugs? The answer is, we don't know. If an NDT drug gets biologic approval from the FDA before the middle of 2026, when the ban goes into effect, then at least one brand of NDT may still be available. But we don't know when any companies will get that biologic approval from the FDA. It is possible that it may not be until after the 1-year deadline. Even when a company gets the biologic approval, NDT will go from being a drug that typically costs a cash price of around $40 to $50 a month to now being a biologic drug. And biologic drugs are not cheap. For example, AbbVie's Humira is $7,300 for 1 carton retail cash price. Keytruda from Merck is $11,337 a dose every 3 weeks retail cash price. And Skyrizi from AbbVie, $20,000 to $30,000 per dose retail cash price. And that's if you could still import non-approved NDT drugs from outside the US for personal use, they are still likely to be subject to tariffs ranging from 35% up to 150% or more. The tariff rates are still up in the air, and it's not clear that these imports wouldn't be blocked entirely. So what can you do right now? First of all, write and call your members of Congress and senators. Do it now and do it as frequently as you possibly can. Make them fully aware that the FDA is trying to take a drug, one that has already been safely in use for 100+ years, off the market. Make them aware that the FDA wants to force you to take synthetic drugs that, for most of you who are taking natural thyroid, have already taken unsuccessfully in the past. The drug they are trying to force NDT patients to take is one that has not worked for those patients. You can use democracy.io to send emails to your reps and senators. You can also visit congress.gov, and they have an address box that you can enter, and a list of your senators and representatives will come up, or call the Capitol switchboard at 202-224-3121, and they will connect you to your reps and senators. And here's an extra note. Please don't waste time blaming Trump or Biden or RFK. This issue has been well in the works for years under both Republican and Democratic administrations. This is an FDA and big pharma money issue, not politics. After all, there's money to be made off thyroid patients, and it's going to come out of our pockets. So write and call now. I'll keep you posted as I learn more.